Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be a follow-up from last week's video. If you haven't checked out last week's video on how to wash box braids properly, check that out. I'm going to link that just below or above or here somewhere there. So this week's video is going to be how to revive your box braids. So right now they're looking a little scruffy, they're looking really bad, really raggedy, and just not very cute at all. So we're just going to revive our hairline so they look fresh and new and they look a little bit more presentable. So I like to start off by sectioning the hair that I'm going to be braiding. So I usually do sort of like an L shape from the center part to the side and my hairline. So it creates an L each side. So I just pick out each hair that I'm going to be braiding so I know exactly what I'm going to be working with. So using a spray bottle, I'm just going to put water in the spray bottle and spray the braid down just so that it is damp and moist. And then I like to start by undoing the braids. So if you're like me and you braid your hair all the way down, you can use a fine-tooth comb to sort of comb out the braid rather than trying to get your fingers all up in there and undoing it. So you're going to be undoing the entire braid, every single braid, and then you're going to be replanting it. So this is later in the day. I had a lot of things I needed to do. My camera died, so I did manage to do half of my head already. So I'm just going to show you what that half looks like, and I did already undo all of the sections and just left a little bit. I like to undo the braid. This would be on a damp braid, of course. And then once I've undone it, you usually see a bit of debris and dirt on your hair, so make sure that you take that out. Then I use the olive oil edge control, and I just take a little bit. I'm going to show you what a little bit looks like, just a tiny little bit. You don't want to overdo product so you have product buildup. And I'm going to put that little bit on the hair, and I'm going to two-strand twist my actual hair. Now this method of two-strand twisting, it actually helps the hair last longer and it'll be neater. So taking the extension hair, I will brush it out, add a little bit more water to brush it out, and then I'll begin re-braiding my hair. So while braiding my hair, I have to make sure that I cover the hair with my actual hair. So I make sure that I hide the two-strand twists of my real hair in the synthetic hair, because it will poke out and it will be bulky and it will look really bad if you can see just a random little twist poking out from your braid. So I'm going to show you what it looks like if you don't cover it properly. So as you can see here, I didn't do that properly, so you can see it poking out there. So that's essentially what you need to do throughout your whole hairline to just redo the whole process. Making sure that you are extra gentle with this, because at the end of the day, this is your hairline, and if you are a little bit too rough or if you braid your hair too tightly, you will cause damage. So usually I only do this once probably, so the next time I get to the point where my hair is not looking too great, I'll probably take my braids out. But this is just to ensure that, you know, nobody catches me slipping with hair looking hella scruffy and stuff. And braids look so much nicer and so much better when they are really neat and just put together. This is what the final look looks like. This is not tight at all. This is actually looser than it was when I first did my hair, but this is because of the two-strand twist. The two-strand twist holds all your hair together so that it looks so much nicer and so much neater. So this is what they look like compared side by side. It's a dramatic difference, and it makes the difference. It just makes you look a little bit more presentable and a little bit more, you know, put together. So yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys have liked this video. Make sure to comment down below whether you're going to try this out or whether you redo your braids from time to time. I will see you guys next week. I love you guys so much.
Yeah.
Mwah.